Today morning it is a Sunday, so according to our hostel routine, chicken was brought from market. First of all, he washed it very well. After that, as per need, he add spices, means turmeric, green chili, red chili, ginger, garlic, all. After that, he is cooking and he is mixing up very well. Really, today is very interested and almost every Sunday we as this. But today I thought I should make a blog about our cooking today. So this is why and that's the reason I am making video. Especially Sunday morning, we buy meat, chicken meat, and it is our daily routine. So first of all, our cookman come and he cook rice. So you can see there is a cooked rice for all borders, and now he will serve in boil. And our Rajuda is cooking meat curry, and after a long time he will open this pan and he will cook very well. So there is a all vegetable, tomato, green chili, salt, spices, ginger, oil, utensil, all is there. So actually our dining hall is not there. Our dining hall is another place. But due to some problem nowadays we are not using our dining hall. But we are using this place for temporary cooking. But after Sunday we will uh, shift our dining other place. This is a rice bag, and you can see it is the name of rice. It is Bengal Super Ratna. The price of rice minimum 1075 or 90 rupees nowadays, but I don't know correctly the price. Rajuda is adding water, and finally he added the no, tomato inside of curry, and now he added the water inside of milk, and he's also mixing up very well, and now he is going to cover the meat. Wow, the color and smell is very good and very good, and he covered it very well. So Rajuda is pouring oil from packet to bottle. So it is called a master oil. This oil packet is so famous and in our local area. It is called Kisan mustard oil. So he is trying to jerking oil from packet to bottle. And finally he added the all things very well. He is now serving food. First he took food in his plate. So it is his technique. You can see rice. Now he will serve. So finally after a time he is again shaking the curry. So it is now it is going near to cook no, curry and chicken curry. So it is very beautiful and tasty. For the chicken. So he covered again, and now he is going to serving the no rice in every bowl. So now he is adding rice every He is serving rice in every bowl and the same quantity, and you can see he is serving food and in every bowl in quantity. Today border? Huh? Border today. কতদিন মানুষ? Today actually total border 22 and he total 23. So you can see he is serving food. He is serving food in his he is serving food in every bowl. After that, he will serve food also. Now, so finally, he served 22 ball and 21 ball because. So now he is going to again shake the curry. So now you can see wow, it's really amazing and very good tasty. You can see the color and fragment and very good quality of color and smell is coming now. It is really amazing color of chicken, potato and tomato. So he is mixing the curry and yeah, you can see that he is adding finally water inside of curry and there. So he add water according to need and now he will very well. Is covering the all ball with plate, so it is a very good because nothing can fall again inside of ball. So there is a pulse you can see. So today our recipe chicken curry with potato, tomato and pulse and rice. So this is what you can see now. So now he is again going to shake. Wow, very beautiful. The color of soup is very amazing, and I can see the fragrance and smell. And now he is adding some spices of chicken masala. Wow. Wow, amazing. It's very good and great chicken curry. Finally you can see our curry is ready, and now he is going to serve the curry in every small bowl because we are total 22 borders and including him total 23. So now it is ready and he will go to near the serve for the curry. You can see the fragrance and also Mr. Rajuda is counting the all ball because his mathematics is so strong. That's why he needs to count ball again and again. It is his genuine problem. 20 and 3. Add 3. And other is order to do. He served the curry in every bowl, same quantity, and you can see. ফুড ভিডিওতে বেশি যায় না, ওটা না তো ব্লগ বানাইতে হবে। টুডে আই মেড আ ব্লগ।